If you want to combine forms with conditional redirects and logic, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you how to do it effectively, no fluff, just the essentials. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use forms with logic that triggers conditional redirects based on user input. Stick around for a quick guide on how to get it all set up, and I'll show you exactly how you can follow along with a free trial of the software we'll be using. First, let's talk about the concept. Combining forms with conditional redirects and logic is incredibly useful if you want to customize the user experience. Whether you want to send someone to a specific page based on what they choose in your form or have them skip certain steps, conditional logic is the way to go. This makes your forms more dynamic, and ultimately, it can improve conversions or guide your users more efficiently. Now, let's dive into the actual setup. We'll be using a software that allows us to create forms and apply conditional logic without needing to code. I've tested many popular options for this, but the software we'll be using today offers a clean, simple interface, and it's perfect for beginners while still offering advanced features for experienced users. To get started, you'll need to create your form. This can be a basic contact form, a survey, or even a multi-step form, depending on your needs. Once you've created your form, the next step is setting up the conditional logic. For this, you'll be defining rules based on the inputs that a user provides. For example, let's say you have a question like, what product are you interested in? And based on their answer, you want to redirect them to a specific page with more information about that product. You can set up conditional logic so that if someone selects product A, they'll be redirected to the product A page, and if they choose product B, they'll go to the product B page. This ensures that users are always taken to the right content based on their responses, improving the overall experience. In the software, this is typically done by adding a condition to each question or field in the form. You'll define the logic, like, if this answer is selected, redirect to this URL, or if the answer is anything but this, show a specific message. You can even chain conditions for more complex redirects. Once you've set up your form with the conditional logic, it's important to test it. Submit the form with different inputs and make sure that the correct redirect happens each time. If you've set up everything properly, the redirects should work automatically based on your conditions, giving you the results you want. By the way, I've made sure you have access to an exclusive free trial of the software we're using in this tutorial, so you can try it out for yourself. The link is in the description below. It's perfect for following along with what I've shown you today. Now let's wrap up with the key takeaway. Conditional redirects and logic are incredibly powerful tools for enhancing your forms. Whether you're redirecting based on a product selection or guiding users through a multi-step process, setting up logic in your forms ensures a smoother user experience and higher conversion rates. Remember to check out the free trial link in the description if you want to get hands-on with the software we use today. Take advantage of it while it's available. It's exclusive for viewers of this channel. So, set up your forms, add some conditional redirects, and watch how much easier it is to provide a tailored experience to your users. Thanks for watching.